actually brought the camera out for this one. I thought this would be pretty interesting.
You see it all go together?
Yeah. We got Zach's transfer case buttoned back up. He's got a new set of high and low range gears in there. And now it's time to play musical cars. Okay, so we'll start it, and then we'll back it out. Oh yeah.
I want to.
Oh yeah, check the operation of the transfer case.
So we're in high there.
Mm-hmm.
Neutral. There it is.
There it is.
It went fine.
In the low, yeah.
Neutral there. High. Neutral. Low. Neutral. High. Okay. Put it back in park. Alright. Nothing gushing out of the bottom, I imagine?
No, I think we're good.
Okay. Go slow in reverse here.
Under its own power.
Don't mind that slightly better truck next to this one.
Oh, that's better one? Yeah.
Slightly better truck.
I think you've got some nice tires on there.
We're gonna do a little low speed around the block.
Little loop-de-loop. The steering feels so light on this truck.
That was probably due to the work that we did. There was a thought there for a second, like, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Hey, look, Zach. Just parking my limousine and my El Camino on the grass for you. Don't worry.
All right, this is a first.
We're in drive.
We're in drive. You do realize that if it blows up and we get it on camera, we're gonna have to delete this.
Well, yeah, of course.
All right, good.
We're gonna leave this part in because nothing happened and nothing blew up.
Dude, it sounds great.
It does.
I mean, I'm almost surprised. Almost. Oh, no, that's your screwdriver. I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
It's in your floorboard. Oh, I also forgot it's on empty right now. Almost out of gas.
All right.
I'm gonna test the CDL.
Good call.
Probably test it at a stop, just in case.
Okay. I heard it click.
It's locked. But is it locked?
I feel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's locked.
Sweet.
Yep. All right, Zach, your CDL works.
Yeah, I heard it. Feels a lot more peppy with that 10%. What would that be? Overdrive?
Yeah. You want to try the low? See how it feels?
Oh yeah. Good call. You had the 25%?
Yeah.
Okay. It really is. There it is.
It was nice and smooth when I did it in the garage. You feel it on the brakes?
Yeah, on the brakes. Jeez.
Oh yeah, it goes,
Holy crap.
It goes through the revs.
It's already in
real
third
quick.
gear. Yeah, that's wild. Well, GAA and I successfully got Zach Burns' truck bolted back up, and so he at least has a transfer case now. I'm gonna head home and get the 35s put on, then pack a little bit and head out in the morning.